Why, hey howdy hey, today's shirt is for Grandview Gardens.
Pretty much the bestest of the best games ever invented. Telestrations.
Now you might not have guessed it just by looking at me, but I am a man of quite fine and exquisite tastes. Yep, you heard that right. I like fancy things. Which is why when I go to Florida, I stay at Grandview Gardens. It's a boutique bed and breakfast, son. Yeah, you heard that right. They're the #1 rated bed and breakfast in West Palm Beach. You know that's right. They've got prime location in a historic neighborhood near downtown West Palm Beach. And all guests get free use of bicycles, which is perfect so you can bike on down to all the pretty locations to see them. So if you want to play where the rich and famous do, look no further than Grandview Gardens.
Telestrations. It's more fun than a barrel of monkeys.
Oh, you fancy. That felt weird. Meh, or good.